To understand how Sukhoi became such a powerhouse, you have to see the big picture. I've tracked down every aircraft they've ever made to show you exactly how they got to where they are today. It's a wild ride from their very first model to now. To kick things off, here is military aircraft Su-1. This high-altitude fighter interceptor used a turbo-supercharged engine to reach incredible heights. It was a bold step into the thin air of the upper atmosphere. Su-2, a mass-produced light bomber that saw extensive action. It was known for its rugged reliability and served across many fronts during the Great Patriotic War. Next, Su-3. Refining the high-altitude concept, this version featured a reduced wing area for better speed. It pushed the limits of engine technology at the time. Next, Su-5. Combining a piston engine with a motorjet, this experimental craft explored the bridge to the jet age. It was a fascinating hybrid that offered a glimpse into the future. Su-6, designed to rival the famous Illusion, this heavily armored ground attacker was remarkably fast for its size. It packed a punch that few targets could withstand. Su-7. As the first swept-wing supersonic fighter from the Design Bureau, it set several world records. It became a staple of tactical air power for decades. Su-8. This massive twin-engine ground attacker was built to destroy tanks from the air. Its immense firepower was matched only by its impressive size. Su-9, marking the beginning of the jet era. This twin-engine fighter looked very different from its predecessors. It was a significant milestone in aviation history. Su-10, a bold attempt at a four-engine jet bomber. While it never entered mass production, it provided vital data for future large-scale jet designs. Up next, Su-11. An evolution of the early jet fighter, featuring upgraded engines and revised aerodynamics. It helped pilots transition into the world of high-speed jet combat. Su-12, designed for artillery spotting and reconnaissance. This twin-boom aircraft offered excellent visibility. It was a specialized tool for a very specific job. Su-13. This further refinement of the early jet series aimed to improve handling and performance. It showcased the rapid pace of development in the late 1940s. Su-5. This twin-engine interceptor was a wall of defense during the Cold War. It was designed to hunt down high-altitude intruders with its powerful radar and missiles. Su-17, introducing variable sweep wings. This aircraft could change its shape to optimize performance at different speeds. It was a versatile workhorse for many air forces. Su-24, a dedicated low-level strike bomber with sophisticated terrain-following radar. It was built to penetrate deep into enemy territory at high speed. Now this is the Su-25, the ultimate tank buster, designed to survive heavy ground fire while supporting troops. It is a legendary aircraft known for its toughness and devastating arsenal. Su-27, a masterpiece of air superiority. This fighter redefined maneuverability. Its sleek lines and incredible power made it one of the most feared aircraft in the sky. Now this is the Su-30. Taking the air superiority platform and making it a true multi-role fighter, with 2 seats, it allows the crew to handle complex air and ground missions simultaneously. Su-33, adapted for carrier operations. This fighter features folding wings and a tail hook. It allows carrier-based fleets to project air superiority far from home. Then Su-34, a heavy-duty fighter bomber with a unique side-by-side cockpit. It is designed for long-range strikes and offers the crew much-needed comfort during long missions. The next one, Su-35. The ultimate evolution of the classic air superiority fighter before the stealth era. It features incredible thrust vectoring and highly advanced radar systems. Su-57, the first stealth fighter from this legendary design bureau. It combines low observability with high speed and the signature agility the world has come to expect. Now let's look at experimental and prototype series. P-1, an early experimental interceptor that paved the way for supersonic flight. It was part of a series of prototypes that pushed the boundaries of speed. T-4, a massive high-speed strategic bomber made largely of titanium. It was designed to fly at 3 times the speed of sound. Up next, Su-47. Instantly recognizable by its forward-swept wings, this experimental jet explored radical aerodynamics. It looked like something straight out of a science fiction movie. UTB-2, a specialized training version of a famous light bomber used to teach crews the art of high-speed bombing. It was a vital tool for military readiness. Next on the list is aerobatic, civil, and utility aircraft. B-103. This light amphibious aircraft is perfect for remote regions with lots of water. Its unique wing design allows it to skim over the surface with ease. Su-26. This single-seat aerobatic plane is a world champion. Its incredible strength and agility allow it to perform maneuvers that would tear other aircraft apart. Now this is the Su-29, a two-seat version of the champion aerobatic plane. Perfect for training and advanced displays, it offers the same heart-stopping performance with room for two. Su-31, refining the world of aerobatics even further. This aircraft is lighter and even more powerful. It is the choice of elite pilots for the most demanding competitions. Then Su-38, a dedicated agricultural aircraft designed for crop dusting and spraying. It is built to be simple, rugged, and efficient for the demanding needs of farmers. Su-80, a versatile twin-boom transport aircraft that can operate from short, unpaved runways. It is perfect for reaching remote areas where larger planes cannot go. The next one, Sukhoi Superjet 100. A modern regional airliner designed to compete on the global stage. It offers a comfortable cabin and efficient performance for short to medium-haul routes, finishing off with unmanned aerial vehicles. S-70 Oknik B. A heavy unmanned combat aerial vehicle with a stealthy flying wing design. It is built to act as a loyal wingman for the most advanced fighters.